Right then guys, you will have seen me a couple of weeks ago rebuilding this bike completely from the ground up, from the worst Triumph bobber example in the world to probably one of the best. Now we decided in our Black Friday sale that we were going to give it away. So for every item that was purchased on our website was an entry to give this bike away. So in this video we're going to be choosing one lucky winner from our Google random number generator, and then we're going to be seeing their reaction as they come to collect their brand new bike. So stay tuned to see what that looks like. I've never seen one this before. There is no other way around it as well. It's completely shagged. It's time to play the game. Time to play the game. Do you ever like lack motivation to even start? This is going to be an issue.
That bike is kind of shady. If I was you, mate, I'd email him and say,
the exclusive shape up.
Okay guys, the time has finally come. I'm actually nervous as well, like double excited for the phone call we're about to make. First of all, I want to say thank you so much to everyone who's got involved with our Black Friday giveaway. This is something that we've been meaning to do for so many years, and finally we're in a position at Thornton 100 to be able to give back to you guys, so thank you so much. So, on to the interesting part. I have a spreadsheet here, and obviously GDPR, we're not going to be able to show you everyone's details, but we have order number 1 here, which starts on line 2, and then we have all of your order numbers and all of your order dates, and every single order here, so every is an item, so every single line is an item that you ordered. So some people here, for example Stephen, you've got 3 lines there, and going all the way down we have down to line number 967. So what I'm going to do now, we're going to generate, and it's number 149. Let's give Neil Peckett a ring.
Hello?
Hello there, is that Neil?
Yes.
Hello Neil, it's Jody calling from Thornton 100 Motorcycles.
Oh, hi.
You purchased something in our Black Friday sale.
No way.
And you have won our Thornton 100 V4 wide wheel bobber.
No way.
Congratulations.
Oh, wow. It's amazing. I've only one of your bikes for so long.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I sat on one of the shares on, so they're an awesome thing, but I could never stretch to the amount.
Yeah. Well, fair play. Well, look, we're going to give you one.
So it's the best start to any Friday.
Fantastic. Okay, I'm going to drop you some details on WhatsApp, and we'll catch up in a minute. As if he's come and sat on one at a show as well. What an absolute dude. Cool. Well, there you go, guys. So yeah, thank you so much to everyone that's got involved. I'm going to line up everything with Neil now, and we're going to get him on his new bike. So stay tuned to see his reaction in person. Okay guys, I'm here with Neil, the winner of the bikes driven down from East Yorkshire today. Unfortunately the weather's absolutely terrible, so we're going to van it back. However, I don't think you want to ride it anyway in this kind of weather, but congratulations Neil, you won this one on, I think it was a key chat that you bought as well. You bought some other bits as well, but line 149 was absolutely mad. So yeah, here's your new bike. What do you reckon? That's amazing. Incredible bit of kit, isn't it? It's cool. That's awesome.
Thank you so much.
Mate, so cool. Have you already got any bikes at the moment, or is this just your only one?
No, I did have an R1, but I sold it.
Yeah.
Just fancied something a bit different, but could never, you know. It's like a dream bike. Really.
Yeah. Last ever spin round for the giveaway bike. Neil, we're gonna have to teach you how to do that. Brilliant. Have you got a ramp, or do you need to borrow one?
One there, but I have.
Awesome.
Yeah, exciting stuff, man.
Right guys, it's always a bit of a daunting one, isn't it, where we bring people in, they've never been on camera before, they don't know what to say, but Neil absolutely loved it, and what a cool feeling it is as well to give a bike away to a deserving customer and fan of the brand as well, which is really cool. So guys, thank you so much for watching this one. Stay tuned for any further competitions that we're going to be doing as well. Make sure you click that subscribe button, and we'll catch you in the next one.